Hi guys, welcome back to Simply Jane's channel. It's a Monday morning. I came here early and I'm in front of SM Manila right now. So SM Manila, as you can see, is just in front of the Manila City Hall, at the same time here in this particular park. And it's also near the MRT Central Station. See, on top, that's the City Hall.
Sumunod sa tamang paslawin sa kalsada na may gugit na pintura na maiwasan natin yung proteksyon ng lumalawin. Patuloy din po sa lahat po na may mga po sa inyong kooperasyon. Huwag po tayo makalimot lagi magsunod sa mga tamang pagsamahan po. Huwag makalimot lagi magsunod sa mga subscribe at signal sa inyong sa lahat. Huwag po magsunod sa mga pagkakuran sa pinagbangaan at nakatulad ang natin ng pagkakuran at dapat po sa kaya po sa lahat ng mga social, magandang umaga po sa lahat ng ating mga pagkakuran po natin.
Hi guys, I did not expect na ganito pala karami pagka Monday. Itong Monday in particular, May 23, 2022. Tignan niyo naman po kahit sa LRT, napakarami na po ng mga sakay. So, parang hindi na po pandemic, di po ba? Okay, pupunta po tayo sa isang napakagandang simbahan. This church is actually a heritage church. It's a cultural heritage church and it's also the national shrine of Our Lady of Mount Carmel. Yung picture niya kanina na pinakita ko po, yun siya. Ito yung original actually. Original na retablo. Yung original retablo actually is made of wood, pero pinagawa lang siya kasi yung pinaka-original na galing po sa Spain actually ay naisama doon sa sinking boat. Okay, the ship capsized at hindi po nakarating dito sa Pilipinas. Pero syempre, itong Our Lady of Mount Carmel, itong kanyang image po ay talagang original pa, except the head. The ivory head was stolen in 1975. Above the altar is an image of Our Lady of Mount Carmel given to the church by Carmelite sisters from Mexico City in 1617. The image withstood all the earthquakes and fires which had destroyed previous incarnations of San Sebastián churches. But its ivory head was stolen in 1975. Guys, the retablo that you're looking at right now is a makeshift retablo because San Sebastián Basilica is being conserved right now. So, an international team of conservators, structural and geotechnical engineers, architects, historians, fine art conservators are banding together to study the problems and find solutions to prolong the lifespan of this building while retaining many original components as practicable. Together with its custodians, the Augustinian Recollects, the team is close to completing this assessment and embarking on its emergency repairs. This is the first phase of a comprehensive 10-year restoration program. In 1621, Bernardino Castillo, a generous patron and devotee of the 3rd century Roman martyr Saint Sebastian, donated the land upon which the church stands. The original structure, made of wood, burned in 1651 during a Chinese-Filipino uprising. Succeeding structures of which were built of brick and were destroyed by fire and earthquakes in 1859, 1863, and 1880. In the 1880s, Esteban Martinez, the parish priest of the ruined church, approached Spanish architect Genaro Palacios to build a church that will withstand the earthquakes. Palacios planned to build a fire and earthquake-resistant structure made entirely of steel. He completed a design that fused earthquake baroque with the Neo-Gothic style. His final design was said to have been inspired by the famed Gothic Burgos Cathedral in Burgos, Spain. From design to execution, San Sebastián was an international collaboration. Its design was Spanish, 3 million pounds of metal was forged in Belgian foundries, foundations were built by a Frenchman, the floors by a Chinese, foreman was British, all with the help of Filipino craftsmen and laborers. Its interiors were carefully hand-painted to look like stone, with remarkable wall paintings of statues and saints. It was executed by the Academia de Dibujo, Pintura y Arte, headed by Lorenzo Rocha, a multi-awarded painter with few remaining works locally. The Basilica's walls and ceiling also feature the work of Isabelo Tampinco and Felix Martinez, who went on to become celebrated turn-of-the-century artists. Designed for strength, lightness, and resistance to earthquakes which toppled the older stone San Sebastián churches, this basilica has withstood over 11 major earthquakes since its inauguration in 1891. But it is now under threat by over 300 leaks, which has corroded many areas, creating holes in columns and walls, severe rust that flakes off the decorative paint, and causing over 40 kilos of steel to fall. The all-metal church is the first and only one of its kind in the Philippines. Completed in 1891, the Neo-Gothic structure was built through an international collaboration. It was designated as National Historical Landmark in 1973 and as National Cultural Treasure in 2011. Have you ever seen such beautiful stained glass windows? You'll find them here at San Sebastián Basilica, Plaza del Carmen, Quiapo, Manila. So, the one that you're seeing right now are actually scaffolding, guys, because this particular church is under restoration. May our children and our children's children see the complete restoration of this beautiful gem, the minor basilica of San Sebastián del Nuestra Señora del Carmen.